Hi guys!
Hi guys!
It's my Mima.
This is Sorella. For today's video, we have our kwentuhan. And for today's ano ba yun? For today's
Video.
kwentuhan, I have a question for Sorella so we can check how smart she is. So, for example, we're going somewhere far, huh? Very, very far. What would you bring if we had to leave today and you could bring just one thing?
Pwede ka kumain doon.
Isang bagay lang na dadalhin mo. At sa tingin mo very important to you.
My brother.
Why naman?
Because he's the only thing I need in my entire life.
Ang drama naman ito, pero syempre, kung ngayon yung pag-uusapan natin at bukas tayo aalis, mahirap. Mahirap magdala ng baby. You know why? You don't have anything. You don't have clothes. You don't have milk for Erowin. Oh. So, I think it will be a good idea.
I should bring my clothes.
Clothes?
And water. Magkasama na yun. One big thing. So we can survive.
One nga one thing lang. Parang ngayon sa palagay mo na very important lang.
Clothes!
Clothes?
Because what if you go out there just hubad? They will see your private part.
Kasi mabubuhay naman tayo kahit hindi tayo papalit ng clothes Mangangati tayo kasi we're very dirty na, pero
water!
Water. You have a point. I think you have a point. But for me, you know what's my answer? One thing I can bring is my cell phone. You know what?
Kasi you can order food, water, clothes.
Diba? Good idea ni Mima. And if you need something, any help, you can call anyone. Tama ka. Diba? Tama ba ako? Ako yun agad ang nasa isip ko.
Kung walang charger
syempre pwede ka naman makicharge. Diba?
You just go to a neighbor's house and say pa-charge po.
Kahit naman, kung halimbawa naman nasa travel ka, pwede mo naman i-charge sa mga cars or sa mga bus. Diba?
Or sa gas station, may mga plug doon.
Diba? May mga...
Pwede ka tumambay.
Oo.
Pag may sari-sari store, may
plugging station.
Pwede
diba?
ka maghintay.
So, that's my answer. Pero, okay din naman yun sa'yo. Ano ba yung sagot mo?
Clothes. Water.
Water.
Paano tayo liligo, Kasi kung pupunta tayo sa hotel, may tubig na yun
diba?
Clothes na lang kasi lalabas tayo
Bakit? Pag lumabas ka naman, pwede ka naman bumili sa palengke or sa mall pag may nadaanan ka mo.
Paano natin uuwi kung suitcase natin ang liit?
Basta you can just buy one siguro. Buy one pair of clothes para to survive.
Buy one pair of clothes. Baka pati or t-shirt bili mo lang, walang short.
I can't imagine, Yung talagang may nangyari nga, halimbawang ganong pangyayari. Well, nice answer mo naman, water. Well, thank you for watching our video, guys.
Bye.
God bless.
God bless.